Hey guys, it's me Samira Yusuf and welcome to our channel. Ayan, if you're new to my channel, please hit the red subscribe button in there and hit the notification bell as well, so you're updated to my new film. And guys, please don't touch the skip ads button in there on the right side of my video, okay? Thank you. And guys, alright, we are going to cook ang tawag doon? Sarciado. Sarciado yung piniprito guys na isda, tapos lalagyan ng tomato. Ayan. We're going to cook sarciado in our own way. In our own way guys ha. So, bahala na kayo kung anong makikita nyo dito sa mga ingredients na lulutuin. Okay? Let's start! Ayan guys, this is our fish. This is what we call tilapia here in Philippines. Ayan. Tilapia. Then we are going to fry this fish first. First, we are going to fry. Okay. And this is our ingredients for our sarciado. Ayan. Tomato, garlic, onion, garlic, egg, and magic sarap to taste. Ayan guys, pipretuhin na natin. We're going to fry the fish first. The first step is to fry. Ayan guys, oh, 'di ba? Parang galing-galing natin magprito, no? Guys, hiring videographer. Taga-video. Ang hirap eh. Ano na siya? Ako na mag-video, ako pa magluto, di ba? Yan. And then, isa pang salang. Yan, last na to. Okay. Ito yung una natin na luto. Alright guys, candidate number 100. Ayan, and then ito yung mga ilalahok natin. Tomatoes, magic sarap, garlic, and onions. Ayan guys, use oil yung gagamitin natin. O, diba? Garlic, onion, tomato, and then we are going to put water. Alright guys, we are going to put magic sarap. Ayan. Diba? Then, a little bit salt. Salt is life. Then, magmimix tayo ng egg para panlagay doon. To make it sarciado, we're going to add, egg. Ayan guys, ilalagay na natin ngayon ang ating fish. Okay. makulo na guys, pwede na natin ilagay yung egg. We're going to put egg now. Aray ko, putik ang init. Okay guys, ang sarap no. Yummy! Alright guys, tapos na yung ating finished product. Ito na. Ang tawag dito, sarciado. Sarciado guys. And then we have, syempre, of course, our coffee. Then rice is live here, even in the morning. Ayan. This is our tilapia. And then, we call this, sarciado kapag pinirito yung isda tapos nilagyan ng tomato. Ayan. Tikman natin guys, no? Sarap. Wow! Yummy! Ganda talaga dito guys sa Philippines, rice is life talaga. Kahit sa umaga, kanin talaga. Kasi parang hindi ako nabubusog kapag hindi siya. Hi, Blandy! Umeksena ka na naman talaga, Blandy! Guys, si Blandy talaga, lagi umeksena kapag alam niya magbibideo na ako. Blandy, wag ka dito, Blandy, ha? Guys, lagi umeksena talaga si Blandy. Ay, naku. Talaga, gugutom na siya siguro. Sarap guys, Diba? Sarap. Anyway guys, thank you so much for watching. Thank you once again. And have a nice day. God bless everyone. I love you all.